Scotland, a formal offer to buy a property must be submitted by a Scottish solicitor. A verbal agreement is not binding. Once you have instructed your solicitor to make an offer on your behalf, they will prepare a formal offer. This will include the price, the date of entry, details of any extra items to be included in the sale, and the standard legal terms to complete the conveyancing, taking legal title to the property. This offer may be conditional on certain buyer requirements, such as a survey. A time limit for acceptance is normally included. The offer will also make provision for your solicitor to have a period of time within which to check all the legal details. If your offer is verbally accepted, the seller's solicitor will send your solicitor a formal acceptance, which may include qualifications in response to any conditions in your offer. The acceptance is therefore referred to as a qualified acceptance.